Hey guys, welcome to all. Today we are give you another unbiased review on the website that is travelers.com. So if you are curious to know about, watch the video till the end, as this is a very famous website for its customer service and hassle-free shipping without any delay and help customer 24/7. As the domain opened in less than 6 months, it also a shopping site with high satisfying products. The site Travelers.com makes a robust network by their seller, distributor, investor, etc. So they are in many places like US, Australia, where provide inconvenient products time in 1 to 3 years. So specification of this website that it is just 22 days old website. It will expire on 17th of June 2020, as it was created on 17th of June 2021. The trust score is just 1%. They have mentioned their email address, they have mentioned the contact number, and they have mentioned their official address, but reviews are not available. The positive point of shopping from travelers.com is that shipping free in worldwide or less local areas with a 30-day return policy. 24/7 customer support is available. Lightweighted for wear and stylish appearances. The product's images are quite impressive and reveal actual appearance from different angles. There are various types of designs for every occasion as per demand. Multiple payment methods are available. Multiple currencies options are available. The negative point of this is that the trust score is not good. Return policy is not for all products. It has a high spam score and website popularity score is very low. As we have discussed, it was created on 17 June 2021. It is a very young domain. The contact number and email address is mentioned on the website. They are offering discounts and offers on different products. No social media presence is available. So as far as customer reviews are concerned, and we all know that customer reviews are really helpful in finalizing the legitimacy of this website. And for this website, we are unfortunate that we could not find customer reviews. Moreover, no social media presence is mentioned on the website. So we can say that no doubt the products may be safe for use indoor places and style design at low price, but as we have discussed different parameters, so it reveals that it is not a trustworthy rank. So it looked like a scam website. So it's better not to buy the things from the store and save your money and your time.